Alright, so in this question, question 5, we're being shown a partial food web of an aquatic environment. It says this type of environment has many organisms in the same trophic level. Trophic meaning feeding level or energy level. Alright, so let's see. It says which two types of organisms in this aquatic food web have a producer-consumer relationship. So we're looking for a producer-consumer relationship, meaning we're looking for a plant and something that eats a plant. And what organisms eat plants? And if you said herbivore, you are correct. Okay. So first we need to locate our plants. And in this food web, if you noticed, here's sediment. And here's water. Some of the organisms live in the water, some live in the sediment. So it's not necessarily showing all the plants down here. Microscopic algae, that is a plant, yes. And you can see that it's the beginning of several food chains, right? Okay. And clams, though, are not plants. And you can see that the clam gets energy from this other organism called the phytoplankton, and phyto we know is plant, so those are plant plankton. So here's another plant. It doesn't live in the sediment, but it lives here in the water. And this too is the bottom of several food chains. If you look here to here, or here to here. So yes, we're on the right page. Now some people want to look at detritus and think, well, it's the beginning of food webs as well. But detritus is a special organism. It is not the same as the plant. Detritus is dead and decaying. Plant and animal. So in other words, detritus is eaten mainly by scavengers. And another word for a scavenger is a detrivore. So this is not a plant, right? Okay, so let's look at the organisms and see if we can actually figure this out. All right, so microscopic algae, yes, that is a plant, that's correct, and white suckers. Are the white suckers the first in line here? So is this a producer-consumer relationship? Well, yeah, it is, right? This one eats this. So that would work. So this is a good possible. Phytoplankton and mummichogs. Well, phytoplankton is not consumed by mummichogs. So phytoplankton would not, mummichog does not qualify. Small invertebrates and amphipods. Well, small invertebrates eat phytoplankton, so this too could not be an option. And the next one is amphipods and channelfish. Well, amphipods are, first of all, they're second level consumers, and the channelfish then a third level consumer, and it is not consuming any plant material, it's consuming small invertebrates. So that is not either. So we have found our answer with A.